Before you start some work, always ask yourself three questions: why I am doing it, what the results might be, and will I be successful? Only when you think deeply and find satisfactory answers of these questions, go ahead. Once you start working on something, don't be afraid of failure and don't abandon it. People who work sincerely are the happiest. A person should not be too honest. Straight trees are cut first, and honest people are screwed first. Never settle for anything less than what you deserve. It's not pride, it's self respect. One who cannot determine his goals cannot win. A man is born alone and dies alone, and he experiences the good and bad consequences of his karma alone, and he goes alone to hell or the supreme abode. As soon as the fear approaches near, attack and destroy it. Don't judge the future of a person based on his present conditions, because time has the power to change black coal to shiny diamond. Humbleness is at the root of self-control. A man is great by deeds, not by birth. Purity of speech, of the mind, of the senses and of a compassionate heart are needed by one who desires to rise to the divine platform. Never make friends with people who are above or below you in status. Such friendships will never give you any happiness. The biggest Guru mantra is never share your secrets with anybody. It will destroy you. Education is the best friend, and an educated person is respected everywhere. Education beats the beauty and the youth. Wealth, a friend, a wife, and a kingdom may be regained, but this body, when lost, may never be acquired again. A good wife is one who serves her husband in the morning like a mother does, loves him in the day like a sister does, and pleases him like a prostitute in the night. Knowledge is lost without putting it into practice. A man is lost due to ignorance. An army is lost without a commander, and woman is lost without a husband. The world's biggest power is the youth and beauty of a woman. Physically beautiful woman can give you pleasure to only one night, but mentally beautiful woman give you pleasure for lifetime. It's a good idea to accept the person who is beautiful from the mind. The fragrance of flowers spreads only in the direction of the wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all directions.